How long does it really take to build a two-story house? If you think it's just a few months, that's far from reality. After 30 plus years in the construction industry, I can tell you the exact timeline from initial planning to final handover. These are the phases every project goes through. Before construction even begins, month zero involves discovery, understanding your architectural design preferences and requirements, along with conducting a survey and soil test to check your property's foundation needs. Followed by month one, dedicated to the actual design phase, where architects develop your custom plans and make sure everything meets building and safety standards. This groundwork is critical because rushing through design decisions will cost you time and money later in construction delays and changes. Once your design is finalized, getting permits and utilities takes 1 to 3 months, conservatively 2 months. You'll need a building permit from your local government, plus additional permits for electrical, plumbing, and mechanical systems. For homes in exclusive subdivisions, add extra time for homeowners association approvals, as these communities have strict design guidelines and permit fees are calculated based on your project's construction cost. Now we get into actual construction, the longest phase, taking 6 to 9 months conservatively, estimated at 8 months, starting with site clearing, digging, and foundation work using concrete steel systems, followed by wall construction and roof installation with steel trusses and quality materials designed to handle typhoons. The remaining months involve installing electrical wiring, plumbing lines, air conditioning systems, smart home setup, and security systems, followed by interior finishes like flooring, custom cabinets, countertops, and quality fixtures, all requiring skilled workers that cannot be rushed without losing quality. Weather greatly affects this timeline, as building during the rainy season can add weeks to your schedule, making proper planning around seasonal considerations essential. The final month is dedicated to post-construction work. This includes final systems testing, where smart home systems are checked, air conditioning systems tested, elevators certified if applicable, landscaping completed, final inspections done, and getting your occupancy permit. Quality checks catch any remaining issues before handover, making sure everything is ready for you to move in. So there you have it. Building a two-story house realistically takes 12 months total. And if you're planning to add another story, expect an additional month, bringing the total to 13 months, broken down into discovery, survey and design, permits and utilities, construction, and post-construction, with three critical factors affecting this timeline: design complexity, weather and seasonal considerations, and finishing level areas where corners absolutely cannot be cut. This timeline ensures your home is built right, meets all regulations, and has the quality standards that define proper construction. Now that you know the timeline, if you want to understand the non-construction cost for building permits and other local permits, I have a separate video that covers those expenses.